My name is Aniket and I am the team lead of Team Airavata. We have made this software for the Bank of India Hackathon, and the name of the software is MuleShield Airavata Intelligence. So let's start. So this is the dashboard of the software. Let me explain what MuleShield is. MuleShield is introduced as a next generation AI-driven mule account detection platform built for the Bank of India. Mule accounts are described as invisible accounts used by criminal syndicates to launder money, and MuleShield exists to find them automatically at scale. So let's go with the system architecture. The technical foundation of MuleShield is explained as that an XPG boost classifier is trained on 9,000 accounts. Like you can see it has been trained on 9,000 accounts, and among them 81 accounts are suspicious, 70 are critical alerts, and 1,295 are high risk alerts. It will also tell you the model accuracy and average risk score and other details you can see here. It will be shown in graphical format, in pie chart format, and recently flagged accounts will be also been shown here. Then we have account intelligence, and here you can see the sidebar. The platform persistent sidebar provides access to 7 operational modules. The footer shows live system status, you can see in the command center, and in the account intelligence here you can see like different analytics and graphs have been shown, and the header includes a real-time clock, notification bell, and an AI assistant button. Then we have the command center dashboard. The command center is a strategic overview for senior investigators. 6 live KPI cards shows total account monitored, suspicious account flagged, critical alerts, high risk alerts, model accuracy, and average risk score. Supporting chart include a risk score distribution histogram, class distribution donut, employment category risk bar, alert tier breakdown, and recently flagged account tables. The second section is account intelligence. The account intelligence modules allow investigators to search, filter, and deep dive into any individual account. Each account profile includes a high risk gauge or a risk gauge, SHAP features, importance bars, a behavioral radar chart across 6 dimensions, as an AI generated plain English assessment, and a full raw feature value table for manual verification. So here you can see there are multiple accounts, and the data that we have been fed from that 500 accounts are critically been altered. So you can see critical flags are 357 among the 500 accounts, and then from them 130 are high priority as they have more risk. Then suspicious total accounts are 81. Here you can see all the data will be given, and when you click on this AI summary button, it will also show you our Airavata Intelligence that will monitor and analyze automatically how the account details are. Is it a mule account? Is the risk high or not? And it will also tell you different section of risk like zero loan credit activity, no product engagement, extreme TX volume, and etc. It will also recommend an action depending on the risk level. Then here you can see behavioral risk facts, featured breakdown, feature contribution to risk. Then here you can also see a graph depending on the behavioral profile versus the population of the whole data. The next section is AI risk engine, and the AI risk engine exposes the model's full architecture and performance metrics, precision, recall F1, PR AUC, false positive rate, and model confidence. It includes an ML pipeline flowchart, ROC, and precision recall curves, an interactive decision threshold analysis tool, training configuration details, and live risk interference simulator for real-time account scoring. So you can see all the details have been shown here. It will assess the risk of the data that has been entered, and then it will carefully format all that result into proper cards. Then we can see the model architecture. Then we can get the confusion matrix, ROC curve, precision recall curve. So here different type of graphs you can see. So the data has been beautifully modeled here. Then here you can also see the live interface simulator. The next is the alert management. The alert management module is the operational hub where flags become actions. It includes an AI summary card, hourly alert volume charts, weekly resolution trend tracking, and pagination alert queue. Each alert can be flagged, escalated, frozen, or resolved. Embedded compliance or a reference tell investigators which regulatory obligations apply to each alerts. So here you can see the alert queues, how many alerts are there. If you click on investigate, and here you can see the detailed summary of that alert. Our AI assistant will automatically tell you the risk and everything. Then here you can also mark it as a resolved, escalate alert, recommend freeze, and everything. So here you can basically manage the alerts, and then it will also show you like the weekly resolution trend, hourly alert volume, etc. And the basic overall, all the modern analytics will be shown up here. Then we have a feature lab. The feature lab documents every feature used by the model for regulatory, auditory, and bank internal validation team. So here you can see there are different sections like bank identification, engineered, correlation, heat map. So this is all working. And then distribution analysis. And also it covers bank identification features ranked by importance, 12 custom engineered features with their formulas and rationale, a correlation heat map, and a distribution comparison showing each feature separates mule accounts from legitimate ones. The next section is the network analysis. The network analysis module maps mule account as a live force directed graph. Here you can see the graph right here. Then it reveals like coordinated criminal rings, filtered isolated critical tier clusters. 3 detected mule rings are highlighted. Ring A, which has 4 accounts, 4.2 crore combined volume. Ring B, 3 accounts, 2.1 crore. And Ring C, 2 accounts, 78 lakhs, showing the symmetric and organized nature of the mule recruitment. So here you can see all the data will be shown here, and it will be shown in a graphical format. Finally, we have a AI Insight section. Here you can see it has trend analysis, alert trends, ML explainability, and regularity. So in here, the AI Insights model serves both executive and data scientists. 4 tabs covers an executive brief, trend analysis, ML deep dive, and a compliance dashboard tracking status across PMLA 2002, RBI Circular 2023, FIU IND reporting, and KYC re-verification. So, Mule's account, the MuleShield's headline results 81 Mule accounts identification from 9,082 records with 91.3% recall, a 4.2 crore in suspicion volume surface, 70 critical accounts ready for immediate review, and full assignment with PMLA 2002, RBI Circular 2023, and the DPDA Act. A MuleShield is presented as a deployable prototype, not a concept, with a clear production path. So this is basically working. All the data that have been shown is not just a UI component; it is real working. So you can enter the data and you can see all the results. So we have entered a data set that had 9,082 records, and according to that, all the details have been shown here. Then we have Airavata Intelligence module. It will give the AI summary of all the records, all the data that has been put up till now. And here it will also recommend actions, and then XPG boost the model that you have used, and it will tell you the accuracy and the different type of critical pattern predictions. So this is it for the Airavata Intelligence. software which we have made and which is called the MuleShield's Airavata Intelligence. Now, thank you.